Let's get this slow motion effect on Instagram. So you might have been browsing through Instagram and you saw a really cool video that maybe it was in normal speed and then it slowed down for a bit and you wanted to get that slow motion effect. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram. I'll show you how to do that. Let's swipe to the right to bring up our story. But the key here is that it is not available in stories. You'll have to switch over to Reel here. So once you do that in Reel, you can see towards the left here is speed and it says 1x. I can tap on that, and to make slow motion, I can either try 0.5x or 0.3x. So let's do 0.3x. And basically what I will do is I will just record something really quick looking outside, and then back at me, and then hit next. So now you can see it is really slow. It slows it down basically 1 second in real life. Will take 3 seconds in this video because it's 0.3 roughly. So you can choose to do that. Of course, you can mix it in, which is pretty cool. Let's mix it in with something that's a lot faster, and then record something again and hit next. And now you'll see it go really slow, and then it should go really fast. Yep, see there. So at the very beginning, it's very slow, and then at the very end, it's fast. So you can kind of change the speed of any of these different videos. Keep in mind, the key here is to do this before you record and not after you record. But then you can do all this stuff. You can tag people, add music to it, all of those sorts of things to this specific reel. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.